Oh my god, that's it. The first time driving a Tesla Model S. Or even a Tesla at all. Oh man. Just everything. Oh my god. Everything working? I can't see. Yes. It's. And you're filming too? Oh my god. It's time. Let's drive. Oh, I feel so weird. Oh, so gut. Aha, ich will ja vorwärts. Okay. Oh my god, driving. God, this Lenkrad is thick. That steering wheel is fat as hell. Oh my god. I never touched a steering wheel that big. Oh, I'm driving. Oh my god. I'm driving. Oh my god. What do I do? I think you're wrong. Let's do it like this. Oh, you're totally creepy. Oh my god. What am I driving? Oh my god. Hello and welcome to the Tesla Model S. This is a 70D 2015 maximum range that is being showed, and Tesla uses 211 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, is over 350 kilometers. So who cares about range? It's enough, it's fine. Acceleration is brutal. This is a 70D. It's nothing special. There's a 100D, there's a P100D performance model. Oh god, they can accelerate crazy. This is like 350 or 400 horsepower, over 5 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. But the acceleration feels bonkers. It's crazy. The fastest car so far for me was the Nissan Leaf with 110 or 120 kilowatt motor. This one has 250. It's double, and it feels like that. Let's accelerate. 60. Oh my god! God, that's proper speed. Oh my god. Yes. Oh god. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Oh yes. Oh, this accelerates. I swear. Demonetize. Okay. 230. Oh, it still accelerates. Oh god, it's so much power. Oh my god, the mountains. Oh, it's so much power. Oh god. Oh, it feels so light. It feels very light. Oh god. Oh, that looks straight. That looks straight and full. Oh man. Okay. Let's go. Oh man. It's such a weird feeling. Oh god. Oh my. I see something is over. Okay, going 50, full throttle, go! Whoa! 100. Oh yes, that's fun. Yes, that's fun. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Okay. Yes, it needs a bit more power because it's heavy and big. Because it has a bigger battery, 70 kilowatt hours. That's a big battery. But you get amazing range, and it also has battery cooling, battery heating, so you can charge at the best speed, use the battery the best that it's possible. It's amazingly comfortable in here. Steering wheel is, the feel of the steering wheel is awesome. This car has autopilot, works amazing. I already tried it. It's so weird. Now what's more important? Oh, that's nice. But this car goes, and like the Nissan Leaf or Hyundai Ioniq, it's made for speed. It sounds weird, but the form is made so higher speeds have lower consumption. Not like the BMW i3 that's like a wall, or the Renault Zoe even is very high. Opel Ampera E. All of those cars, they're not slippery through the air. But Hyundai Ioniq, Nissan Leaf was okay. Ioniq is better, and this is even better. It's just, even with 130 kilometers per hour, consumption is great. But top speed is, I haven't driven the top speed yet. I stopped at 215 because I was, that's fast. I'm not used to driving that fast. The regen is awesome. I was scared that it would be crap. Loudness is good. I think the motors are a bit louder than in other electric cars, but when I'm going 130 like now, and let's put it in autopilot, that's where we have it for. If I go now 133, road noise is amazing, and you cannot hear the electric motor at all. When you give it full acceleration, you can hear it. When you give it power, then you can hear the motor, but when you just drive like this, there's nothing. And this was my complaint about the Nissan Leaf, that you can hear the motor. Yes, I'm holding the steering wheel. Yeah. Oh, it's a great car. The seats are very comfortable. They hold me in place, but they get hot. Oh my god. It was always a dream to drive a Tesla Model S. And I know a lot of people think it's nothing special, but it is. This is something special. This is not normal. This is a proper electric car. And I don't see any quality issues. A lot of people complain that the build quality is not good. I don't see that at all, but I also don't care about it. It's an expensive car, of course, and this is the only downside to this car. This is the first car I'm in where I'm not thinking about the range. When you have over 350 real-time range, so even on the highway when you're going 130, I've never been in a car that can do that. The screen is amazing. The brightness is perfect in the dark. When the sun is shining directly in your face, it all works. It reacts okay. It's not sluggish. Just Google Maps in here and you can see everything. You can see the traffic, all your chargers, time, everything. It talks to you. This is proper navigation. This is a proper screen. And the screen in front of you is also amazing. You can see everything. I have my navigation in here. You can control the radio and everything on the steering wheel. It's in white and I love this car to be in white. Tesla Model S has to be white. Looks amazing, it looks sporty, you can see every line. I love this. Why do people think, what is so special about the Tesla Model S? What is it? It's everything. It's the right quality, the range, the charging, the software, the over-the-air updates, Spotify, you've always connected to the internet, you have Google Maps on your screen, and you have the big screen, you have room. This is the best car I've ever been in. And I'm not a Tesla fanboy here at all, and I was scared that I wouldn't like it. And I was scared of many things. Maybe this is bad, maybe this. I will only get a 70 or a 60 or 85, a very old car. It won't accelerate. Oh yes it does. 70D. It sounds weird. There's nothing special in the Tesla world when you have a P90D performance model with bigger motors and stronger motors. But oh my god, it accelerates. It feels crazy. It does it instantly. There's no, oh, let's wait and accelerate, keep the power low. No, it's full on right away and at every speed. I haven't done it when I was stopping. I'm a bit scared about that. But when you go 60 in full throttle, it's amazing. When you go 130 in full throttle, it's amazing. You can always feel it. Steering feel is amazing. It steers great. You have 3 settings. Comfort, where it's very sluggish, I think it moves very easily. A standard, where I have it in, and sporty, where it gets a bit harder. Works perfect. The steering wheel, for my taste, is a tiny bit too thick. I would like it a tiny bit thinner, but maybe this is just something I have to get used to. Again, the screen in front of you, I can see everything. I was scared that with the autopilot, you have the car in the middle and you have all this animation of other cars and blinking here because the sensors feel something, that it would be weird. But no, it's not. It's all fine. And again, going 120 and its consumption is totally fine. More than fine. It's great. This is a proper long-range car. That's all I have to say. This is long range. This is the answer to all the people that say an electric car is not for me. I want to go long distance. I want to go a bit faster. You can do that with that. Go 130 to 150. Björn Nieland, a great YouTuber who has a Tesla Model X with a Model X, which has higher consumption. Has calculated with the charging speed and the consumption that 150 kilometers per hour is the perfect driving speed, so you get the fastest to your destination. I did a video with the Renault Zoe. They can only charge with 22 kilowatt. I did a video on this, that the perfect speed for that car was 90. That's not a long-range proper car. And with the supercharger network, I make a different video about that because it's just awesome. That was my thing, it's all fine. Charging is just way faster than other cars. The supercharger can charge up to 120 kilowatts. I'm going 130, it feels comfortable. I have 234 kilometers range left. I only have to drive 50 kilometers to the next supercharger. I will arrive there with 49%. This is awesome. This is a proper car. God, this is great. I love driving. This is so amazing. I don't want to leave. I have to give this car back at some point. I don't want to. I don't want to give it back. No. AHM, thank you very much. Amazing car dealer. They're giving me this car for 8-9 hours. I'm allowed to drive 500 kilometers. If I drive more, I have to pay 50 cents for every kilometers. Still okay. Maybe I'll do it. Who knows? I don't know if I can give it up. Awesome car. They know what they're doing. And over-the-air updates. Come on! You drive around, then you get whoop. Hey, we have an update for you. In the next update, this will work better. This we have changed this. A lot of customers said they want this feature. We're implementing it now. Keep climate on. Very good example. People said, hey, I want to get out of the car, have my wife in there, baby, dog, whatever. I want to keep the climate on, air conditioning on, so it cools down to 19 degrees. Done. Implemented it. Next update, it was in there. How cool is that? What other car you have updates like this? What other car do you have permanent internet connections, or you have a browser which works very slowly? You can't use it, but you have Spotify and you have Google Maps on here, where you can even see satellite if you want to, but it takes longer, of course. Day, a lot of fun, horrible traffic, not the car's fault. Supercharging here in Irschenberg. It's, what is it, 70 kilometers away from Munich. Okay, 6 p.m. I have to give the car back. So sad. It was amazing. It was really amazing. I only drove 382 kilometers. There was so much traffic. I was standing a lot. But it was so much fun. It's an amazing car. I can't believe I have to get into my crappy car now and drive home. Really sad. Don't want to give it back. Maybe I should get a new identity and flee somewhere. Austria. There's only one thing wrong with this car. I can't afford it. It's awesome. I had so much fun.